Are you ready? Let's talk about what we did. Go win, seesaw, do did. Come on. I went to the city, I went downtown. I saw a new shop, I looked around. I bought a new jacket, I spent some cash. I ran to the bus in a flash. I went, I saw, I bought, I ran. I felt like a brand new happy man. I did it, I saw it, I went away. That's what I did just yesterday. I ate a burger, I drank some tea. I met my friends and they met me. Irregular verbs, yeah, we break the rules. Singing this song makes us sound so cool. Spoke to her boss about